students, myself Jyothi.I.S, tutor of Saraswati Tuition, Davangere. Welcome to my class, Maths with Jyothi. It's a class for 8th standard students, Karnataka state students. The chapter is based on the Karnataka state syllabus. In the first chapter, playing with numbers. In that, I am taking the subtopic divisibility test. What do you mean by divisibility test? Let us, if we given any big number, for example, like this, 4, 7, 8, 3, 5. Like this, any number it is given, you have to check if this number is divisible by 2 or 3. Is it divided by 2 or 3 or by 4 or 5, like this? Okay, you have to check, is this number divisible by 2 or divisible by 3 or divisible by 4, divisible by 5. For this, there is a small test in that. Those are called, if you remember those concepts, you can easily identify the given number is it divisible by 2 or is it divisible by 3 or is it divisible by 4. For every number, there is a small rule to identify the given number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. Like this. We are doing those tests. Let us consider. First, let us discuss the divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. From this, without doing any actual division, we can identify that the given number is divisible by 2 or not. For example, let us take any number 2, 4, 5, 6. Is this number divisible by 2 or not? Let us check. How we can check? There is a statement. If a number is divisible by 2, if and only if it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If any number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 2. Okay. In other words, what we can say? Look at here. What are these numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8. If any number ends with 0, these numbers are all even numbers. Any given number, if it ends with the even numbers or 0, that is divisible by 2. You should remember this matter or this divisibility test, because in the higher classes, when a number is given, you can easily check this number is divisible by which number. Okay, understood? Here, divisibility by 2. If any number is divisible by 2, if and only if it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is divisible by 2. Here, let us check for this 2, 4, 5, 6. Look at the last number, that is 6. That is even number or ends with 6. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. I will give one more example, that is 5258. Here, let us check, is it divisible by 2 or not? Look at the last digit. It ends with 8. It ends with even number or it ends with even number or 8. This 8 is in this group, isn't it? Therefore, this number is by 2. Let us take any other number. Oh, so 5,553. Look at this. Here you can say that. Look at the last digit. This is not ends with. Check these numbers. Is in the last place. 0 is there, 2 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there, or 8 is there? No. It is given is 3. Therefore, it is not divisible by. It is not divisible by 2. Okay, understood, students? For divisibility test, divisibility by 2. That is, if any number is divisible by 2, only if and only if it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Understood? Let us move on to the next divisibility test, that is divisibility by 4. It is test for a number, is it divisible by 4 or not? Divisibility by 4. For any number, for example, 1, 2, 5, 48. Okay, we have to check, is this number divisible by 4 or not? How? It is possible. Easily we can tell that is this number divisible by 4 or not. Let us know how. Here, for any given number, you should check, we should take the last 2 digits formed. Okay, that is from the last 2 digits, it is given as 48. Divide this number by 4. Yeah, let us check. Is this number divisible by 4 or not? That is 4, 4 ones are 4, 0, 8, 4 twos are 8. Yes. The number which is formed by the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 5. Understood, students? Divisible by 4. Any number divisible by 4 if and only if the last 2 digits formed is divisible by 4, then the whole given number is divisible by 4. Understood? As I will give one more example, that is 4,232. How you can check? Look at the last 2 digits. The number which is formed by the last 2 digits 32. Check it. Is it divisible by 4? Yes. This number is divisible by 4. Therefore, the whole number is divisible by 4. Are we doing any actual division here? No. This is one taking 5 digits, 4 digits. If there is a given a very big number, even also you can check only by looking at the last 2 digits and divide it by 4. If the last 2 digits formed is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. Okay, understood? Okay. Let us move on to the next divisibility test. That is for 5 and 10. For 5 and 10. For any number like this, 4,250. It is easily we can say that for 5 and 10, if any number which ends with 5 or 0, that is divisible by 5. If any number ends with 0 or 5, for example, another number we can take 5,665. If any number that ends with 0 or 5 is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 5. For 10, for any number, for any number b, if that number ends with 0 only, that number is divisible by 10. Here both numbers are divisible by 5, and if we take, and this one is divisible by 10 only because 10 is with 0. Let us take one more example. 2, 4, 5, 4, 0. You can say that this number ends with 0. It is divisible by 10. It is divisible by 10. 10 and 5 also. Because any for 5, we can take any number that ends with 5 and 0 or divisible by 5. For example, if you take any other number 9995, in this the last number ends with 5, therefore it is divisible by 5. Understood, students? If any number ends with 5 and 0, it is divisible by 5. Or otherwise, if any number ends with 0, it is divisible by 10. And here is a number ends with 5 is divisible by 5. Let us move on to our next test. Divisibility for 3 and 6. 3 and 6. The given number is divisible by 3 and 9 is divisible by 3 or 9. For example, for any number, let us take any 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, any number you can take that is equals to 5, 4, 3, 2, like this. We can take. If we add the digits in the number, if the sum is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Let us take the digits which are 4 out. In this, that is equals to 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. What we have to do here? In the given number, we have to add all the digits and divide it by 3. Divided by 3. If this sum is divided by 3, then the number is divisible by 3 or not. Here 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 2, 14. 14 by 3, it is not divisible by, therefore, it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. Okay, let us take one more example. If in the same number, if you make it divisible by 3, that is 54,321. Okay, let us check for this. It's a number. The digits which are given in this are added. That is, the sum of these digits are taken. That is equals to 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 3. Okay. Then is it divides? Yes, here 15 by 3 is given. 3 5s are 15. Therefore, the sum is divided by 3. Therefore, it is the big number 54321. It is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. Understood? For any given number, what we have to do? We have to add all the digits and divide it by 3. If that number divides, then that is divisible by 3. For 9 also, we can do like this. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this number is taken. Let us check for this. Is it divisible by 9 or not? That is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 9. Let us check for this. 1 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 18 plus 2. 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 by 9. Is it divised? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is equals to 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 14, 17. It's 20. Okay. 21 here we got, isn't it? 6, 10, 15, 18, 21. Is it divisible by 9 or not? No, it is not divisible by 9. 4 is 8. Let us take one more example for this to get it is divisible by 9. Let us take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1. Let us check for this. Is it divisible by or not? Here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Let us check for this. Is it divisible by or not? Up to here we got 21. 21 plus 6 is 27. 27 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 9. Therefore 9 3 is 27. Therefore the whole number is divisible by 9. Understood, students? How we are going to check? Here we have to add all the 3 digits and the sum of those is divisible by 3. If that number is divisible by 3, then we can say that this big number is divisible by 3. So what we have to do is, for the given number, we have to add all the digits and divide it by 3, or if it is divided by 9. If that is divisible by 3 or 9, then that is divisible by 3 and 9. Now let us check for the last one, that is divisibility by 11. The number given is divisible by 11 or not. Divisible by 11. For any given number, for any given number 1, 7, 5, 3, 2. Here, for any given number, we have to put alternatively negative and positive signs. What we have to put? Alternatively negative and positive signs. Okay, let us take this example. We are doing first one, -7 plus 5 minus 3 plus 2. We are putting like this and we are doing the sum. The sum is, that is equal to the how much? 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Minus 7 minus 10. That is equals to 10. That is equals to minus 2. Is it divisible by 11 or not? No, it is not divisible by 11. It is not divisible by 11. What we have to do is, for any given number, we have to put the alternatively negative and positive signs. Then we have to take the sum of those numbers. If the sum is divisible by 11, that it is divisible by 11. Or other words, the number is not divisible by 11. Understood? Let us come to the end of my class. Keep watching my videos and do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.